Good morning, butterflies. I hope you enjoyed the little YouTube video clip I sent you on all the different types of insects that we see in our world around us. Today, though, I'd like to focus on that special word we learned, metamorphosis. And I'm going to read you a little piece from this book, my little book of life cycles, which will discuss the metamorphosis or the change that happens between a caterpillar and a butterfly. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is a type of insects. Insects have 3 pairs of legs, making 6 legs altogether. The wings of a butterfly are covered in many tiny scales. The scales are usually patterned and colored. Insect bodies are divided into 3 parts. The head is the front part and has the eyes and the mouth. The thorax is the middle part, where the legs and wings are attached. The abdomen is the back part, where the insect digests its food. Butterflies flutter around the plants. Female butterflies look for a place to lay their eggs. The eggs will hatch into caterpillars. Later, the caterpillars will change into butterflies. A butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle: the egg, the caterpillar, the pupa, and the butterfly. The story of how an egg grows into an adult butterfly is called a life cycle. In spring, a female butterfly searches for somewhere safe to lay her eggs. She lays them under the leaves where they are hidden from view. Different types of butterfly lay their eggs on different plants. Peacock butterflies choose nettles. These plants have stinging hairs. The stings stop animals from eating the nettles and the eggs. Nettles are a safe place for peacock butterflies to lay their eggs. A few days later, the eggs hatch, and a tiny yellow caterpillar comes out of each one. Caterpillars spend most of their time eating, so they grow quickly. As a caterpillar grows, its skin becomes too tight and it splits. The caterpillar sheds its skin, revealing a new one underneath. This is called molting. A caterpillar is also known as a larva. Caterpillars are soft and juicy, so lots of other animals want to eat them. Many caterpillars have special ways of staying alive. Monarch caterpillars like this one are bad to eat. Their stripes warn animals that they are poisonous. Many caterpillars are green, so they blend in with their surroundings. This is called camouflage, and some caterpillars have sharp spines on their bodies like this one. Caterpillars grow fast. After about 14 days, which is 2 weeks, a caterpillar is ready to change into a pupa. This is the next stage of its life cycle. A caterpillar makes a silk thread and uses it to hang from a leaf. It molts for the last time. Then it spins a pupa around itself. A pupa is usually green or gray, so it is difficult to see on a plant. This is another example of camouflage. The pupa is tough on the outside to protect the insect inside. And inside the pupa, the caterpillar gradually changes. After about 2 weeks, the pupa of the monarch butterfly becomes darker in color. This is how the butterfly comes out. The orange wings of the butterfly can be seen inside. The pupa cracks open. The butterfly crawls out. It sits on the empty pupa case. Then it spreads its wings so they can dry. It has to rest for a few hours before it can fly. This was hard work. An adult butterfly does not grow anymore. Male and female monarchs look similar, but males have small dark spots on their back wings. Butterflies flutter around searching for food. They feed on sweet, sugary nectar inside flowers. When it is time to mate, the males follow the females. They fly around the females and then push them to the ground. The female lays her eggs one at a time. Once the butterflies have mated, the female will lay her eggs like you see in the picture. A new life cycle then begins. Adults usually live for only 2 to 5 weeks. As the summer comes to an end, monarch butterflies start an amazing journey called a migration. They fly to warmer places. The journey can cover thousands of kilometers and take more than 2 months. In spring, the butterflies set off to their summer homes. On the way, they mate. Their young change into butterflies and continue the journey. Thank you for taking our journey today on the life cycle of a butterfly.